Hello viewers, in this video we'll see the calculation of percentage change in EPS. We'll see one problem. Yes, here is the problem. The capital structure of Hindustan Corporation Limited consists of the equity share capital is 10 lakh and the shares is 100 each, and rupees 10 lakh of 10% debentures. Okay, and it also has value of debentures worth 10 lakh. Sales have increased from 1 lakh units to 1 lakh 20,000 units. The selling price is rupees 10 per unit and rupees 6 per unit is the variable cost, and fixed expenses amounted to 2 lakh. The income tax rate is assumed to be 50%. You are required to calculate the following. First one is percentage increase in EPS, that is earning per share, operating leverage at 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 20,000 units, financial leverage at 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 20,000 units. Comment on the risk position of the firm. Okay, in this problem, first we have to calculate the percentage increase in EPS, and the second question is the operating leverage we have to find for both 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 20,000 units, and C is we have to find the financial leverage at 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 20,000 units. Okay, in this problem we have the information. We'll start doing the problem now. First we'll write the information available. Okay, first we'll write sales. It is there in problem. That is selling price per unit is 10 per unit, and number of units is 1 lakh. So we will write 10 into 1 lakh will get 10 lakh, and for 1 lakh 20,000 units it is 12 lakh, and variable cost is 6 per unit. So we'll take that. Okay, 6 into 1 lakh is 6 lakh, and 6 into 1 lakh 20,000 is 7 lakh 20,000. And the next information we have is fixed expenses, that is 2 lakh for both 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 20,000 units. So we'll write that. And we have interest that we have to calculate, and the debentures is 10 lakh and the rate of debenture is 10%. Okay, that we will write it here, and afterwards we'll calculate that. And the tax rate, it is given in the problem, it is 50%, so we'll write that too. And number of equity shares is the equity share capital is 10 lakh, so that should be divided by 100, so we'll get 10,000 is the number of equity shares. Okay, we finished writing all the information from the question, and now we have to calculate this contribution. It is 10 lakh minus 6 lakh variable cost will get 4 lakh, and for 1 lakh 20,000 units 12 lakh minus 7 lakh 20,000 will get 4 lakh 80,000. Okay, the next one is we have to subtract the fixed cost. We'll get EBIT 2 lakh for 1 lakh units, and 1 lakh 20,000 units will get 2 lakh 80,000. And the interest is same for both the category, because the debentures is 10 lakh and the rate is 10%. So 1 lakh for 1 lakh units and as well as for 1 lakh 20,000 units. So the EBT is 1 lakh for 1 lakh units and 1 lakh 80,000 for 1 lakh 20,000 units. In that we have to calculate the tax 50%. Okay, so 1 lakh into 50% will get 50,000, and for 1 lakh 20,000 units 1 lakh 80,000 into 50% it's 90,000. So EAT is 50,000 for 1 lakh units and 90,000 for 1 lakh 20,000 units. So now we can calculate the EPS because we have EAT. We don't have dividend in this problem. So we can take this EAT as earnings available for the equity shareholder. That should be divided by the number of equity shares. Here the number of equity shares is 10,000 for both the category. Okay, now we can calculate the EPS. EPS is equal to 5 for 1 lakh units and 9 for 1 lakh 20,000 units. And the question is, we have to find out the percentage increase in EPS. Okay, for finding this percentage increase, we have to subtract 5 from 9. Okay, 4 rupees is the increase in EPS. So 4 divided by the base is 5. So we'll get 80%. 80% is the percentage increase in EPS for this 1,20,000 units. Okay. And the next question is, we have to calculate the operating leverage, and the formula is contribution divided by EBIT. So we'll get 2 times for 1 lakh units and 1.71 times for 1,20,000 units. And the next one is, we have to find out the financial leverage for both the category. So it's 2 times for 1 lakh units and 1.56 times for 1,20,000 units. Okay, now we have to comment on the risk position. Okay, here there is an increase in sales. Okay, due to the increase in sales, the EPS has increased by 80%. Okay, we found that the increase in EPS is 80%. The operating leverage and financial leverage decreases. If the units is 1 lakh, the operating leverage is 2 times and financial leverage is also 2 times, and the units increased by 20,000, that is the units is 1,20,000, the operating leverage decreases, it is 1.71 time, and financial leverage decreases from 2 to 1.56 times. Okay, and there is a fall in both business risk and as well as financial risk if the sales increases. I hope now you understand to calculate the percentage change in EPS if there is increase in sales. And I have given you one problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.